Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, you're going to need a couple of supplies. You will need this activity sheet, a pencil, and crayons. If you do not have those items, pause the video and get them now. All right, welcome back. Go ahead and get your pencil and write your name up at the top. Pause the video while you do that. Good job. Let's get started. This worksheet is about multiple meaning words. I'm going to read each sentence twice, and then you are going to color the picture that matches the meaning of the underlined word. You can pause the video while you're coloring your picture, and then start the video back up again. Do you have your listening ears on? Perfect. Let's get started. Number 1, I can hit the bat. I can hit the bat. What type of bat are they talking about in this sentence? Color the picture. Number 2, put the cap on it. Put the cap on it. Cap. What type of cap are they talking about in this sentence? Color the picture. Number 3, I see a red fish. I see a red fish. Fish. What type of fish are they talking about in this sentence? Color it. Number 4, do not bug me. Do not bug me. Bug. What type of bug are they talking about? Color the picture. 5, can we go fish? Can we go fish? Fish. What type of fish are they talking about? Color the picture. 6, I have a blue cap. I have a blue cap. Cap. What type of picture are they talking about? What type of cap are they talking about? Color the picture. Number 7, I see a little bug. I see a little bug. Bug. What type of bug are they talking about? Color the picture. Number 8, did you see the little black bat? Did you see the little black bat? Bat. What type of bat are they talking about? Color the picture. When you're done, take a picture on Seesaw or Class Dojo and send it to your teacher.